Hello everyone, my name is Xiuxiu. This patient is my father. My father, about 20 or 30 years ago, when he was young, accidentally fell. As a result, his neck and shoulders had compressed nerves. It just wasn't as severe back then, so he didn't pay much attention to it. By 2022, he started experiencing weakness in his limbs. Then gradually, by 2023, he became paralyzed. After a friend's recommendation, he underwent surgery at Panacea. The doctor then referred us to Keeogo for robotic physical therapy. The attending doctor initially thought that the chances of my father walking again were very slim. He believed it was unlikely, but he got to know the Keeogo robot. He felt it might help my father, so he recommended we come here. I feel that robotic physical therapy and traditional physical therapy, I don't think there's much difference. To me, they seem quite similar, helping with stretching and such. But this has been very helpful for my father. For example, in terms of his independence, he can now stand on his own, eat by himself, and even use the bathroom independently. Before starting this therapy, when he needed to use the bathroom, it required at least 2 people to assist him. But after undergoing this physical therapy, he only needs me, and he can manage things like using the bathroom on his own. So I feel it has been a huge help. I am very satisfied with Keeogo's services, and I would recommend it to anyone in need.